Today we're taking a look at the Fifine K038 wireless microphone system. How's it fare? Up next. Hey, what's going on? It's Low for Low Nose, and this is the place where I help content creators just like you get better at your craft, your skill, and your confidence through audio, video, and tech. So make sure you hit that subscribe and bell button so you don't miss out on any future helpful videos, and also hit that like button if you learn something new. Okay, so today, dealing with the audio and tech, we are looking at the Fifine K038 wireless microphone system. It's kind of fine. Fine. You see what I did there? So this microphone system is designed for churches, weddings, presentations, and even school plays. It costs around $86, but what you get for $86 is a lot. Let's take a look inside of the box. You get your instruction manual with all instruction manual related stuff inside, so make sure to take a look at that. You get your two wireless receivers, A and B, and also they take two AA batteries where you just put in the front. You also have your wireless base station receiver. Your left side controls one set of microphones with an echo knob. The right side controls another set of microphones, and you'd even have the option to put music into your feed. In the back, you have your antennas, and you also have the power adapter along with an aux out, a right line out, and a right line in so you can pump outside music into the feed. Then, of course, you have your two headsets and also your two lavaliere microphones. Then, of course, you have your essentials, your power adapter, your 1/4-inch cord, your 1/4-inch little mic output, and, of course, your two mic output as well. And bonus, it comes with batteries. Alright, so enough of all this what's inside the box stuff. Let's hear what it sounds like. Alright, so this is how it sounds, and before I get into the specifics of the microphone, let's just talk about the base station receiver so you can, it's just another reason so I can just talk and so you can just get a sense of what this microphone sounds like. Alright, so if we look at our receiver, you can see it says mic A and volume A. If you have an external microphone, like a dynamic microphone, you can actually plug it in right here from the front, and volume A knob right here will control the volume for that one. Volume B, that's the microphone that I'm on right now, and as you can see, I have volume B turned all the way up to the max. Now, I will say this right now, that this receiver or this kit, it needs a lot of help when it comes to the gain department. I've got my volume maxed out all the way here on the bass. On my mixer, I have additional gain maxed out as well. And also just a small tidbit that I just realized when creating this video. When I use the 1/4-inch male and I used it that way, for some reason my volume or my gain was just a lot lower. When I went from my 1/4-inch to my mic input, my gain dramatically improved, but still it needs help in that department. Okay, echo, we have an echo knob. We've got an echo function. Not really sure why you would want one, but here's the echo effect now in effect. And this is me now going echo, and I'm not talking all the way, and I'll bring it back down. I think you guys know how I feel about echoes. Then we have our music knob right here where you can add additional audio into your signal. All right, moving down the line, you have your volume C button. This is for your second receiver. If you want to use a second headset, it would be tied to that. And then your volume D button would be connected to your second external mic or your second dynamic mic. So you have the opportunity here to have 4 mics going at the same time with this base station. Who told these guys to mow the lawn right now? Now you're listening to the audio of the lavaliere microphone. I have it connected to the second receiver pack for this one. It has a different color so you can tell the difference between receiver pack B and receiver pack C. This one has a bit of an orangey color while the other one had that little light blue color. From my experiences when using both microphones, the headset and the lavaliere mic, I found out that I got more presence or more volume or more maybe just like dynamics when using the headset microphone, probably because the microphone was closer to my mouth. When using the lavaliere microphone, my voice just sounded further away. Now these lavaliere microphones are designed to be a little further away from your mouth, but throughout everything, I just preferred the sound of the headset a little more. Now, with the lavaliere microphone, I did not have to worry about plosives. Well, plosives, we'll see about that. But when I had the headset mic on, every now and then I would get random plosives, no matter how hard I tried to be careful with that headset. Okay, so overall, I really like what Fifine did here with their microphone system, but we got some pros and cons to go along with it. Number one, I like the fact that the base station lets you connect 4 microphones, 2 regular mics and the 2 wireless mics that come with it. Number two, the value. You get a lot of stuff in this microphone kit, and having a headset and a lavaliere mic, 2 of each of them, that's a pretty good deal. Number three, having a music line in, so you can have music or sound effects play along as you're talking. And number four, variety. This microphone kit has everything. Take advantage of it. All right, let's get to the cons, because let's not fool ourselves. There are some cons. The biggest one, the plosives. Man, when you use the headset, you get serious plosives when using the microphone. So you have to be very strategic on how you're talking and where you're placing the microphone. If you find the right spot, you can find a really good balance, but you're going to have to put a lot of work into finding that sweet spot. Number two, this device is severely underpowered. So make sure when you connect it to your amplifier, receiver, or mixer, you're probably going to have to boost the gain up there to make up the lack of gain here. Number four, the headset apparatus itself. It just kind of lays on your head, and depending on your head side, it could stay on or it could fall off. It's really all over the place. I just wish it was a little more secure, especially if you were thinking about moving around. Okay, so that's it for the review of the Fifine K038. It's got its strengths, it's got its weaknesses. You know, it's just too bad in order to get the strengths going, you really have to play with the microphone. And at the same time, that's also its weaknesses as well. Whatever, go ahead. I'll leave a description down below to see if you want to get the mic yourself or see further reviews on this microphone. As always, guys, if you liked the video, go ahead and leave a like. If you loved it, feel free to subscribe. Leave a comment or question down below so I can get right back to you. Also, follow me on social media at Low Nose Media, and also collaborate with other content creators just like you on Discord at Low Nose. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.